Back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect your Facebook page with your WhatsApp, or how to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. So the very first thing you want to do is to go to the right hand top corner over here, click on more options, then click on the business to the first option here. And once you do that, you want to scroll downwards and click on Facebook and Instagram, this second to the last option over here, to add your WhatsApp. So click on it. Then you want to click on the plus sign on Facebook. Then once you click on that, then it says continue to log into your Facebook and set WhatsApp as your page button. Then you click on continue. Then once you do that, it takes you to your business pages where you choose the particular page you want to actually connect with your WhatsApp. So once that loads up, you choose your business page. So we're going to go with this first one here. Then we're going to click on connect below. Okay, then it loads, so you just give it a while. So this makes it easy for people on your Facebook page to actually connect directly with you on your WhatsApp. Okay, all they just need to do is to click on the WhatsApp button on your Facebook page, and it redirects them straight to your WhatsApp. So it says your accounts are now connected. So it's as simple as that. So you can view the page to confirm. All right, so you see get WhatsApp messages and all that, so people can just hit on the WhatsApp button over here, and they will be redirected straight to your WhatsApp page. So if you learned something from this video, please do help to like this video and subscribe. All right, thank you.